Alright man, we're going on today. Finna make a Boohavvin type beat. These type beats way different that we kinda used to. I used to. The vibe, overall vibe, you know, the patterns. So I just wanna showcase to y'all. Let's get right into it. Yeah. So there's a track right here. And so yeah, BPM is like 120. So it's gonna be like this. I place the pattern so we can check it out though. So we're going to take this song. Oh, I already got it though. I already downloaded this song. Alright, boom. Now we extract stems. We're gonna do it like just this. Alright, let's see. Let's go to the melody. Then we open edit in audio editor. Then we go to this wrench tool and we go to convert to score and down piano roll. Then we just paste it in the sampler. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the melody. So just theoretically, we just like place this melody in there. Yeah, our preset, bro, just straight up dog shit. So we're just gonna so this kind of similar though. We're gonna quantize it a little bit. Yeah. That's the kind of ball. Alright, that's kind of the main melody though. Okay, yeah, gang. So if you want to make them type melodies, go to Phrygian, you know, Phrygian mode. This type of melodies you're gonna. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Yeah, that's really similar preset though, called Million. I'ma leave link to this CM kit in the description though. It was like free, I think. I bet we're gonna add some. I feel like distortion could be it. Maybe some portal, you know, portal. Some cool saturation. Oh, not portal. Thermal, my fault. Maybe octave down. Some tone is not quite. So we octave down and yeah, just do the same preset and we just. Yeah, we're gonna cut off some highs. And I feel like there's a little noise though, you know. A little less. Gonna add reverb. Let me go back to this. Okay. Yeah. This noise really adds a lot of the things. And I'm gonna put wave shaper on it. A little distortion. Yeah, we got it though. I will just play the bass. Played it. We're just gonna recreate this shit. So I'll take this Boohavvin 08 though, you know, or the one Boohavvin one, cause it's like Sabi, La Sabi. Y'all can copy this kit in the description. You know, I'ma put it together and drop it. So what you do, I'ma remove the kick, this initial kick. Let me cut itself. You know, this initial kick. I'ma slide it a little bit like this. I'll also do a little out. Then go to volume envelope. Do the square and I do like 1% attack. Hold on. Fuck. See? Because without attack, it's a clicking a little bit. Boom. And then I'm gonna go to pitch, turn all of this down, bring like amount like 50%, 50 like, you know, 6. And I'm gonna do the decay like that, like 25. Because like, you know, slides. And now also let's do another pattern. Like here, go to bass or edit in audio editor, wrench tool, scoot down, boom. The same thing. I will just copy the bass. I will just paste it here. I'm just gonna shift it a little bit. What the fuck? Yeah, we gotta take a different bass. I'm just gonna do the repeat after the thing. Let me delete this. Set. Now we're gonna do side chain to this track, also put sus on it. Turn on the side chain, boom. I'm gonna do this, gonna side chain and hard, boom. Tack. Also what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the fruit limiter compressor. Pick the bass, I'll turn all this down, just do this. Also what we can do, we can add some noise on the bass. Like that. Let me add the that shapy box. Let me add the RC20 on it because it kind of. And now we just add the. We add the snare, this regular Lex Luger snare. Lex Luger. Okay, I ain't got it, but I got this one. Every other beat, Yeah, this one, Luger. Three instruments. Boom. Go add the limiter though. Compressor. Boom, 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 boom. Nah, fuck with this one better though. I feel like the low one better a little bit. Alright, that's pretty much it. I just repeat the whole time. Alright bro, I appreciate you for watching, you feel me? What we learned today, we need to be in frigid mode, a lot of noise, the 808 automation with the pitch automation, also noise on 808, and simple 3 sounds, that's it, and just sound select good. That's the main positions, 120 BPM, and yeah, that's how we make it, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you watching though. That's quick little video. Peace.